So in the last few videos, we've talked about how low can Bitcoin go. In this particular video, we're going to specify how low can Tesla go. Oh boy, I hope y'all ready for this shit. Okay. Damn. $187. Holy man, you know you're not serious. Damn it, Leo. I mean, I know you've been bearish on Tesla since 877. I mean, we are at 577 now. Okay? But 187 for real, guys, relax. It's not going to drop to 187 next week, all right? But it's going to drop to 187 over the course of the next 6 months or 7 months. By the end of 2021, Tesla at 187 is a no-brainer. It's got a lot of negative catalysts. And Elon Musk, god damn, if he would just shut the fuck up, maybe the stock would just do a little better. But as long as this guy keeps talking, short the fuck out of it. This guy has created some of the biggest headwinds for Tesla stock ever. If you study the history of Tesla, there's something significant about the level of 187. I mean, for all of you that have been trading for a minute, meaning like you've been trading for at least the last 5-6 years, you know that that level of 187 in Tesla, that's a significant level. I mean, that was the significant level before Tesla broke out to the stupid levels here. And it remains to be a significant level after all the stock splits, after all the craziness has been going on in 2020. But now what we got is a chart so ugly. This stock, remember, was admitted to S&P 500 not so long ago. And it used to be the reason why S&P actually kept going higher every single day. This is the heavyweight champ. Damn. No more. Tesla just got knocked out. And we predicted this knockout long ago, before anybody else did. If you watched the last video, guys, 13 market moves Tesla. 3 months ago, we've nailed it. 877. Now, why is that important? Well, fuck, we're at 577 now. But what's more important is where Tesla going next. And a lot of you would be like, what? Who the hell cares about the 187 level? Tesla is all about the 420. And I agree with you. First, Tesla's going to drop to the 420 level before it ultimately drops to the 187 level. The 420 is the next stop in Tesla, guys. And it could happen lightning fast. You think Tesla... You watch Tesla drop. I'm recording this Tuesday. I'm sorry, it's Wednesday, just 30 minutes past midnight. I'm recording this on May 19th. By June 19th, you see Tesla at 420. It ain't even going to be a big deal. From 420 down to 187. Whew. Guys, look, it's not that difficult. All right? Now you're thinking, well, but you know, okay, you're saying this because of this. The big short investor is now betting big against Tesla. Wow, breaking news, Bitcoin drops below 40,000. Where were these guys? I posted a video not so long ago saying, where were all these CNBC clowns when Tesla was at 60,000? Why none of them were reporting this? Bitcoin is going to drop in the next 30 days. Short the hell out of it. No, the only report would just happen. Yeah, Tesla just dropped below 40,000. Let's look at the chart. It's at 39,690. It's at 39,600. And you're sitting there and you're like, but no, it's going to come back up. But Leonardo, but you're wrong. But like, guys, put all the bullshit aside. I've been doing the markets long enough to tell you, okay, it's time to stay bearish and short every bounce. If you shorted every bounce in Tesla, guys, you would have made a killing. Drop, bounce. What do? You short. Drop, bounce. What do? You short. Drop, bounce. What do? You short. Drop. It can't even bounce. Guys, this is why this is the ugliest chart. This is the ugliest chart of all times. This thing can't even bounce. Oftentimes, you'll have stocks like break the blue line, slightly and they'll bounce out of it. This stock barely bounces, drops below the blue, drops below the orange. This is bad. I mean, this is like, you know, you go on a blind date and she sends you a picture of her before you meet her. She looks like a 10. When you show up, you're like hoping like, okay, she's probably a 7. You already know. But then when you show up and she's like a 1, like a -1, you're like, damn. Whew. That was a mistake. And that's exactly what all the bulls are about to say on Tesla. Whoo, shit. I thought she was a prom queen, but damn it, maybe it was all the alcohol in the system. Maybe it was some other stuff in the system that everybody had when they were buying Tesla at 900 right here. And we spelled it out loud and clear. 877, short the hell out of it. But everybody was still intoxicated. And they were still intoxicated here. Cathie Wood, out of all people, Jesus, she's 78 years old. You would think she would be sober, but damn, she wasn't. She said, buy the dip. She bought the dip here. She bought the dip. Jesus Christ, she bought the dip 12 times. And tomorrow, guys, tomorrow when the markets open on May 19th, I would not want to be Cathie Wood for damn sure. That fund is fixing to take a hit. You thought Archegos Capital had a bet. Jesus Christ, watch Cathie Wood's fund take a fucking hit in the next 72 hours. I would not want to be one of the investors in her fund in the next 72 hours because her fund is about to experience some of the wildest losses Wall Street had seen. 50 billion turned to fucking 25 billion. How would you like to see that shit? Because it's about to happen. Ugliest chart on Wall Street right fucking here. The stock can't bounce. This damn thing cannot bounce. Life depends on its bounce right now. And today, there were a few buyers trying to sustain this critical level of 577. And they failed. They miserably failed. Tomorrow, when the stock market opens, Tesla is likely to be under 570 bucks. And the reason it's so important, you may be sitting there watching this chart and you may be like, what's so big of a deal? Tesla dropped $7. Guys, the whole world is dependent on this chart. Look at this level. Tesla breaks this level of 577 right here. Guys, the whole world is about to fall apart. Okay? S&P, all of these technology stocks, they are about to fall apart. And Tesla is the worst out of them. Okay, people has hyped it up to be a technology stock. It's a fucking car company. It makes cars. But they're gonna fly, Leo. They're gonna fly to Mars. Okay, when they fly to Mars and when it is profitable, I'll consider buying a share of this shit. Okay, do you think Warren Buffett is buying this Tesla bullshit? Absolutely not. Okay, people have been hyped up, drugged up, fucking brainwashed on Tesla just like they have been on Bitcoin, saying it can never drop. Well, Bitcoin drops again. Let's see where Bitcoin is now. Oh my God, Leo, it's bouncing. It just hit 39. It's at 39,550. Leo, you're wrong. Fuck you. Okay? I can't be, like, people like that, they shouldn't be trading. Okay? They shouldn't even be in the market. Go fucking do something else in life. Okay? So here's the chart of BTC USD. And the reason I'm going to bring this chart, this video is about Tesla. But understand this. If we average out how Elon Musk has been investing his $1.5 billion in Tesla, the average is right here. Okay? Let's call it 37.5. Let's call it 37.5. 38, 37. Let's average it out at 37.5. Okay, what do you think is going to happen to the stock of Tesla when that level is broken? See, so far the story has been simple. Okay, everybody's been ignoring 13 market moves message. We said short it here. We said Bitcoin's going to fucking crash right here. We said, hey, it's not too late to short it here. It's not too late to short it right here. And just the very fact that we're getting stupid, silly messages from people saying, oh, it'll never drop below 47,000. Like, guys, please, everybody now is an expert on Bitcoin. Like, let me just prove this shit to you right now. I mean, I posted, you know, I've underlined a few comments in last videos, but let's, okay, so we have, let's see, so how low can Bitcoin drop?
Guys, good morning, May 13th, 2021, it's about 6:40.
All right, so let's scroll down. Let's look at the messages. Like, there's people making money. Hey, somebody just bought Tesla puts for $350 and they sold them for 18 bucks. Good job. What can I say? The guy's executing. The guy is paying attention to the videos. He's shorting the damn bounces, okay? Now, these goofballs right here, where are these goofballs? Jesus Christ, where are these people? Now you got silly shit like this. How about Ethereum? Is that shit gonna go higher because Bitcoin's dropping? Hell no, it's gonna crash just as well. Okay, let's talk about this situation right here. So, okay, oh yeah, I laughing my ass off. You're on. Bitcoin won't go below 47K. Okay, fine. So let's take a look at Gordon King, right? He's got 2 subscribers. This guy has a video on FDA registered transdermal gel. Now, he looks like a real fucking expert on charts and Bitcoin. Like, yeah, Gordon King, fucking click the link below and take the 13 market moves and the charts course.
Hey guys, good morning, May 13th, 2021, it's about 6:45.
I mean, let me take this a step further. I mean, like, look at the people that are commenting on this shit in any derogatory sort of way. They're absolutely clueless, and you know, it kind of sucks to actually have to scroll this far. So this guy right here, crypto signals, woo, crypto signals. Let's go. Let's see how many fucking signals you got. 38 subs, 0 videos. Okay, this guy's been in business since 2019. He's saying 0 crypto signals. Like, guys, like, when people like that say, oh, Bitcoin's gonna go higher, like, seriously, let's get real here, okay? His grandmother is probably saying buy crypto at this point as well. It's a fucking market top. Jesus Christ. Before you guys take any of the comments seriously on our channel, at least click on them and see who is behind these comments. Like, you want to listen to crypto signals that's got 0 signals since 2019? What the fuck is this guy doing? Jesus Christ, please. Alright, well, enough of the bullshit here, okay? The Big Short is in town. It's a little too late for the show. Now, I do like this guy. You should know one thing about The Big Short, though. If you watch The Big Short video carefully, you will understand that he was indeed too early. So even though CNBC is announcing that The Big Short is just now betting against Tesla, hey, they're probably fucking wrong. You can't take anything seriously that you see on CNBC. I mean, he's probably been shorting this shit like a year ago. Okay, and probably doubled down on his position and added more to the position. Those are the details that CNBC is not going to tell you about. But the one thing about The Big Short, this guy Michael Berry actually went against what 99.9% of the people believed at the time, and he bet against the real estate market. And he's taken a beating, really. Psychologically and financially, he invested over a couple of $1 billion betting against the real estate market, and for about a year, he's been getting killed until it all came along, and then he made billions of dollars. So, I mean, that's why Wall Street is like, wow, okay. But, like, I think they already know that he's been betting against Tesla, and other people has been betting against Tesla. Our bet against Tesla has got nothing to do with Michael Burry. But it's kind of interesting to see that only now that Tesla is down 30%, CNBC want to bring up a bearish story. Again, where the fuck was CNBC when Tesla was at 900? They weren't posting stories like this. Well, now that it's relevant, when Tesla is dropping, it's in their interest to actually post a story like this. And that's the pathetic part about CNBC. You only see the story after it has taken place. Now, getting back to the Bitcoin chart right here, guys. It is officially under the orange. See, nobody would even think it was going to break below the blue, which was the 55K. But maybe it was going to do it temporarily. But now, look at the middle finger action. Let me draw this shit out for you. For those of you that don't know what the middle finger action is. It's the middle finger, damn it. Look at it. It tells Tesla to fuck off. Right here. Guys, look at it. It's a hand with the middle finger sticking out. Like, you can't get this shit mistaken for anything else, right? I mean, it's right here. Okay? And so, when you see this type of situation, guys, there's more room lower. Okay? And in the last few videos, I've pointed out that Bitcoin can drop to a level of 38,000 first, which looks like we just hit that. Okay? Looks like we're at 38,750. I mean, Bitcoin just keeps crashing as I'm actually recording this right now. But now, what do we see? Well, we've got a situation where a substantial, strong spike in volume, which tells us the drop. Guys, what you see right here is just the fucking beginning. And I'll show you the chart from 2017, 2018 for you to actually visualize the entire aspect of how bad things could actually get. And I'll just tell you right now, the Bitcoin can easily drop to a level of 25K. Now, that's been a pretty aggressive level, but 32.9 right here, guys. 32.9, like 32.5 right here. Just slightly above that. Okay, that is an actual target that Bitcoin can reach by next week. And the question is, if Elon Musk been accumulating, not shares, but damn Bitcoin right here at about 37.5, and there's many reasons for him to do that. I mean, partially, he knew that the car sales were going to slow down. He knew he was going to have a shortage with the suppliers. So partially to offset the losses in the profits from actual auto sales, it would make sense to go ahead and buy Bitcoin and make money on the Bitcoin. But trust me, he's not an idiot. Okay, he knows how to read the damn chart. Maybe not himself, but he's got people that know. And this is the time where he's actually like, well, hold on. We're not going to take Bitcoin anymore. Damn right, Ellen, you're not going to take Bitcoin anymore because you know this shit is about to collapse. Now, all of a sudden, you'd sell a car for 55K, and the next day, that shit is worth 35? Yeah, I don't think that's going to go really well for your stock. So he opted out of taking Bitcoin promptly before the collapse. And this collapse is just the beginning. Can you imagine if he would have continued to take Bitcoin during these circumstances? Fuck, Tesla would have been already under 500 bucks. So now he's invested 1.5 billion. So far he only sold 300 million out of that. He's still got 1.2, 1.3 billion left of Bitcoin. So the question is, if Bitcoin drops to 25K, how exactly is that going to look on Tesla balance sheet? And how exactly is that going to impact Tesla profits? Well, at this point, he's got to sell a shitload of cars more in order to, damn it, surprise Wall Street. At this point, this stock's it's boxed. Guys, when we're saying Tesla is fucked this time, I mean, Tesla is really fucked. Okay, so let's bring up the chart of Tesla. Now that you understand the Bitcoin situation. All right, so now that Tesla is at 577, Bitcoin is at, or it closed at today at what, like 42, 43K. Well, tomorrow you're going to wake up. Tesla $1.3 billion investment is going to be in the loss. It's going to be losing money. How do you think that's actually going to impact Tesla's share price? You don't have to be a fucking rocket scientist to figure this shit out. It's going to be worth less. Not only Tesla is struggling in China, not only struggling with, putting a bunch of cars on hold before they can deliver them and ultimately get paid. So basically, you've got the next quarter for Tesla looking like shit. But on top of that, it's getting hit with a damn Bitcoin crash. And that's how you know Elon is not a dumbass, okay? Because he opted out of taking Bitcoin right before the collapse. It was a great marketing stunt. Hey, Tesla takes Bitcoin. Who else is in the game? So he's sitting there watching every day. Well, okay, we got a few players coming in. We got this company says take Bitcoin. God damn, that was a huge bet for Tesla that just didn't play out as planned. So after watching to see the level of participation and the level of other engagement from other companies saying, hey, we're going to take Bitcoin now too. Okay, he said, hell no, this is not working out. And at this point, guys, it don't matter what he does. He can say he can take Dogecoin. He can say he can take Ethereum. He can take, it doesn't matter. He is in a checkmate. Tesla Bitcoin trade is in a checkmate. All right, so if you are a long-term investor in Tesla, okay, you short the fuck out of Tesla right now and you buy it back at 420. If you wish, I would wait officially till it falls to 187 because this damn thing will fall by the end of the year to $187. And you're going to think like, dude, it's just insane. How can you say that this thing has still got 80% to drop? Guys, it's the charts, it's the levels, it's trading. It's trading Tesla stock that gets you to understanding these key levels. It's understanding the 13 market moves, understanding the charts divergences. Guys, 13 market moves have nailed every huge trend reversal opportunity. Okay? This is probably going to be one of the greatest trades because we've nailed it at 877 and it can ultimately drop to 187 over the course of the next 6 months. If you have any questions about this trade, how you should put it together, okay, what strike prices you should trade, guys, you've got to click the link below before it's too late. Before you're going to watch this shit like in the next 10 days and it's like at 420, you're going to be like, oh my God, 13 market moves was right. I watched the entire drop. They were right. Us being right is nothing new, okay? You watch and taking no action, okay? And I'm not saying go and put the trade on your own. I'm saying schedule a 20-minute coaching call before you go out and pursue this trade on your own. Because if you pick the wrong strike, if you pick the wrong expiration, the trade will go wrong because you're dealing with options. Now, if you're just shorting the stock, hey, on any bounce, you should just add. The strategy is simple. The strategy is so simple that a 5-year-old should be able to execute it. So if you don't have 100% clarity on how to put this trade on, whether with stocks or whether with options, guys, you've got to give us a call. ASAP, talk to a senior trader here at 13 Market Moves. But Tesla, 420 in the next 10 days, 187 in the next 6 months. Don't just watch it. Do something about it because it's a highly profitable opportunity. And I'll do this, guys. I'll do this. If we get like, I don't know, 1,000 comments on this video, I will make sure, I will personally do an interview with the Big Short for you guys. Okay? Now, we did have an email account, the Big Short at Hotmail actually bought the 13 market moves course. Now, I'm not saying it's Michael Burry, but I wouldn't be shocked if he actually knew the 13 markets move formula, guys. I wouldn't rule that out at all. I wouldn't be surprised as in a year from now or 2 years from now, he would actually come on stage on CNBC or some kind of show out there and he'd say, damn it, I nailed the Tesla trade because of the 13 market moves. We're going to find out the truth sooner or later, guys. The only question is, are you ready to trade? And if you are, click the link below. Let's roll. Tesla, 420, 187. Let's go.